Side-by-side comparison. Blitz and what is it, X-Way?
X-Way, yeah.
How many volts?
168, bro. So it's basically the same thing as the ET Max, but it's just lighter. But it's off-road wheel.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's meant for off-roaders. You haven't heard about this wheel yet?
Well, I was waiting for the Griffin.
Yeah, well, this came before the Griffin.
I'll tell you one block whether this thing is shit or not.
There he goes, he's off. What's up, bro? You said it's terrible? You said it's awful. Yeah, right. No, he doesn't like it. No way. So like a super small guy. He likes the Commander Mini, so I wouldn't trust his opinion. Really?
I'm gonna give it a no!
Really? He said a no. Get out of here. No Lunchman doesn't like the X-Way. I don't know. His opinion's usually pretty spot on. But I guess we'll see.
It's either that or it's the tire.
Yeah, it's probably the knobby tire, bro. You don't like it though? He said no.
Try, dude. I'm
not honestly really liking it all too much off initial impressions. I definitely like the Begode Blitz, like way better. It felt amazing. Oh, he's also in soft mode too. Let's bump that to medium. Medium mode, and then race mode. Oh, okay, turn it back on. How do we turn it on now? Oh, damn. Oh, really hard to turn on. This button is like super. Damn, dude. I gotta take my glove off to push the button. Practically. Damn. Alright. Now we're in off-road mode, but now we're in race mode. Definitely in race mode. Let's see if it makes any of a difference. Race mode and medium. I don't know, dude. I don't know how I'm feeling about this so far. I think the Begode is putting out so many wheels so damn fast. It's not really affecting anything, honestly. Settings, all the beats turned off, whatever. Alright, yeah, so it's okay. It's not a wheel bottom. Maybe it's the off-road tire really hindering the performance, but I just really don't like knobby, so I can't. But it does feel a lot lighter, obviously, than the ET Max. You don't really feel the weight on your feet. Yeah, I'm done. I don't really want to ride it anymore. It's not that fun. It's an okay wheel, I guess. Yeah. You know, if you want to buy it, go for it. Oh, I just wanted to try it out real quick and see how it was. That's all. Cool. Like, subscribe if you like it. If you don't, it's dope or what?
not bad. Not bad. It has like little vibration, huh?
Yeah, exactly. When you like brake, what have you. It's not better than the Blitz though. Hell no.
It's got potential. I think once with a big like. I don't know. We gotta change the tire.